What's good, y'all? What's good, viewers? It's your boy Ife-Ezy, aka Royal Fitness, and I'm back. Yo,
It's
I'm back. So welcome back to my channel, and thank you all for watching. Now, before we proceed, don't forget to hit the subscribe button below at the bottom of this video. Also follow me on my social media accounts: Twitter, Alpha of the Pride; Instagram, Alpha of the Pride; and Facebook is Royal Fitness. Now today I'm back with another session for the legs using my favorite portable equipment, the resistant band. Today's focus will be on leg curls, leg extension, calf raises, and the bonus of squats. Watch this video demonstration. Thank you. To start with, make sure you have your door anchor with you. You also have your resistant bands. You could have 10, 20, 30, 40 pounds, whatever you're comfortable with. And also your ankle strap. Get it and attach everything together. This is all you need to get started. Resistance band line like core. Muscles targeted. Glute max, hamstrings. First, attach the door anchor to the bottom of the door and then secure the band to the anchor. Then attach the clip at each end of the band to the ankle strap that came with it. Make sure you wrap the ankle strap around your ankles and lay on the floor about 3 feet away from the door. Then keep your buttocks down and your back flat. Then curl your legs to a 90 degrees angle by bending both legs simultaneously or separately and move your heels towards the buttocks. Squeeze your hamstrings and return to the starting position. Note, relax your calf and feet during the movement or simply point your toes. Keep your hips and butt down as you curl your legs. If you can't, then try and hold on to something for a leverage and reduce the movement on your hips and butt.
It's Ife-Ezy in a bit.
First, attach the door anchor to the bottom of the door and then secure the band to the anchor. Attach the clip at each end of the band to the ankle straps or both ends of the bands to one ankle strap and attach the ankle straps around your ankles. Back in the door, stand 3 to 4 feet away from the door so you can feel the band stretching your legs. Straighten your active leg out in front of you until your knee is almost totally straight or sloping to the floor. Then squeeze your quads while you feel the tension from the band. And for the seated leg extension, best to secure band under the chair with a chair 2 to 3 feet away from the door and attach the ankle straps to your ankle. Sit on the edge of the chair or bench. Feet flat and back straight. Grasp the side of the chair with your hands for support. Straighten your active foot out in front of you until it is parallel to the floor and your thigh slightly lifted out of the chair seat, and squeeze your quads while you feel the tension from the bend. Bend standing calf raise, muzzle targeted calves. Stand on the bend with your feet shoulder width apart and hold the handles next to your shoulders or behind and over your shoulders. This way, the band is behind the back of your arms. Alternatively, use a long bar or a broomstick and drive it through the hole at the end of the band's woven clip holder. Keep your back straight, head straight, and core tight. Raise your heels off the floor until you can't get any higher on your toes. and squeeze your calves. Note, you can activate your calf muscles to the point of pure fatigue with the tension you put into the motion.